applicant. My name is रवि शंकर. मैं आपको इस वीडियो में यूएसए वीज़ा B1 B2 कैटेगरी होता है यूएसए का एक, उसके बारे में मैं आपको डिस्क्राइब करूँगा. B1 B2 वीज़ा क्या होता है, उसका पर्पस क्या है एंड हम इसको अप्लाई कैसे करते हैं. So USA visa have many categories, F1, L1 and many other that have different purpose, but B1 B2 is the visa category which is applied for USA in maximum. Okay, most of the persons want to get B1 B2, that is business visa. B1 is for business category and B2 is for tourist. But for both the category, USA has made a single category, that is US B1 B2 visa. And what is the purpose? Purpose is for USA visa you need to apply it online. Major thing is that you need to do it online, and the first thing that you need to do for USA visa is you need to fill DS-160. that is the form actually, and the portal name on which you need to fill it is ceac.state.gov. आप इसे गूगल पे लिखेंगे तो आपको इसमें दिख जाएगा कि ये DS-160 का पेज खुलता है जिसको आपको फिल करना है. इसमें बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेशंस हैं जो आपको डालने होते हैं. आपको या तो आप उसको ऑनलाइन भी कर सकते हैं या फिर हम लोग भी इसको अप्लाई करते हैं. तो परफॉर्मा फॉर्म भी है हमारे पास जो मैं आप लोग को दे दूँगा, तो आप वो फिल करके ऑफलाइन आप मुझे भेज सकते हैं एंड देन माय टीम विल डू इट. सो दिस इज DS-160. सेकेंड थिंग इज US visa rescheduling portal. Before this we used to do it on US travel docs, so that is now old and the new process has been started after COVID. US Embassy has launched this portal and the portal name is US Visa Rescheduling. On that you need to create your profile for USA and you need to pay visa fee. After payment in 1 or 2 days you will get the option to book your visa appointment, and on that form DS-160 form is also need to mention. DS-160 form that you will mention on that form that should be genuine, and that form only you need to carry at the time of your biometric and visa interview. So this is the online form filling and all. Now I am coming on the documentation part for USA. That what is the documentation in that? So as I told you, it is B1 B2. B1 is something related to business and B2 is something related to tourist. So for both the category only one thing is different, that is invitation. In B1 category, that is business visa. If it is business visa, I will say you not B1, it is business visa. If it is business visa, you need to have the invitation from USA working company. It means the company or the entity or the organization where you are going to visit in USA, you need to have invitation from them. Okay, so that is the main difference part. In business visa, invitation is required, and if it is not business, then it is tourist visa. So in tourist visa, normally we book a hotel and book a ticket and show there in the US consulate that this is my itinerary, and you will get the visa. So this is the only difference in both. And there is one more category, that is visit. If any one of your family members, friend circle is inviting you from the USA, you need to have again invitation from him. That is not business category, that is called a visit visa. You are visiting to your family members, relatives, and like that. So this is visit visa. The next one is personal cover letter, Aadhaar card copy, hotel ticket, as I told you in that. Personal cover letter if it is tourist visa, and if it is business visa, again the cover letter you need to have from the organization on the behalf of whom you are traveling to the USA. So this is the company document that you will get from the company. Then the financial document. Financial document means you have to show your ITR last 3 years, the bank statement last 6 months, salary slip last 6 months, and if it is tourist visa, then you need to have NOC from the working company, and if it is business visa, then you have to have cover letter from the working company. So this is the main document that you need to show there in embassy. And one more category that comes, if the person who is applying the visa and who is retired, so he need to have pension slip from the department from where he has retired, like that he need to give them. The next thing that you need to have is visa fee. How much is visa fee? Visa fee is, earlier it was 160 USD, now it is changed. In INR it is 15,540. That is the visa fee. You need to pay it online, or you can pay offline through visiting Axis Bank or Citibank also. So this is the visa fee, and that's all for USA visa. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we also apply for the category B1 B2 all category. If you want my company, that is Journey My Trip, to apply your visa to work for your application, you can contact me on my mobile number and email ID as mentioned in the descriptions. My team will share the checklist, and he will advise you the process for the same, and definitely you will get the visa for USA if your requirement is genuine. Thank you so much for watching the video.